All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I go by the name Psychon FX. It is said that we don't throw what we feel, we throw what we see. So, right, guys, now this is V51S. Okay, we made this analysis and now we are going to cross check it again with this video. Okay, so you gotta watch carefully. Let's see if we are to wait for this setup or if we are to clean the charts and uh, make our next move. Okay, so right, this is V51S, like I said. So on the 4 hours time frame, I'll go to 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we saw that this was a kind of a break of structure by the week. Okay, so this is a break of structure by the week. Okay, so this here had become a swing low. Why? Because inducement has been taken out. Okay, so we saw these candles here moving. I know on the higher time frame it might not look that clear to most people, so it is better we switch down to 1 hour time frame because I like when everyone gets it clear. So we get to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame got for us. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we notice that the price is already bullish, bearish. Sorry, is bearish. Its order flow is bearish. Now, why did I say that the order flow is bearish? If you can mark from order flows here, you can mark from here. You notice that price has not yet made a change of character. So this here is respecting the order flow and then make a break of structure by the week. Okay. So now this here in this trading range, from this trading range low to trading range high, we can see that price took out the trading range low, okay, by the week, and then this made it a valid swing point. So before taking it out, you know that price created inducements here. This was an inducement, okay. So as soon as price took out the inducement, this became a valid swing low, okay, a valid swing low. And as long as this high has not been taken, we cannot yet mark a valid swing high. Okay, so what we do is that we knew that this is an order block that has not been mitigated, does not be retested yet. Okay, so what we are doing now is to wait for price to come to this area, to wait for price to come to this area. Okay, so we can also as well mark the whole of this, okay, as our order flow, but I'm marking an order block which I see here. Why did I mark this particular order block? Because it is associated with the fair value gap. That is it. I'm marking the order block because it is associated with the fair value gap. All right, so as I'm marking it right now, I'm waiting for price to, come back to it, tap on it, and then give us a lower time frame change of character, either 3 minutes or 2 minutes, and then we can use from there and sell to this swing point. Okay, or we can use it again to sell to this this weak level. All right, to that weak level. But if price comes and then takes out this high, if price comes and takes out this high, then we are going to, change. You know that the coin has flipped from the sells now to the buys. It has actually become a change of character. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. So on the V50, this is the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 30 minutes time frame, let's go to 30 minutes time frame and see what's going on 30 minutes time frame. You can see that this is the other block I'm talking about in the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, now you can see this other block here has not been mitigated and it is associated already with the fair value gap. Okay, as it is associated with fair value gap, here we have a swing point, here we have a swing level, here swing high here. Okay, and here actually has become a trading range. You can see the high here and this low waiting to be formed as a high again. Okay, so I'm anticipating price to respect this order flow. Now you can see the whole of this order flow is here. This is the whole of the order flow. If I'm to mark the whole of the order flow, okay, so it is possible that price you just react from this order flow. This is the extreme order flow. Okay, so we are anticipate price to react from the extreme order flow and then sell, but I'm marking this particular order block here. Okay, I am not saying that once price gets there we start selling immediately. Once price gets, that is the extreme order flow area. So once price gets there, you wait for a lower time frame change of character and we wait for inducement to be cleared, and then we mark our POIs. Once price get to our POI, we enter the trade again, and at that point our risk level will drop, it will reduce. Okay, then our reward level will be high. You might get 1:7, 1:8, 1:6. Okay, just like we did in V100 sniper. If you have watched the video of V100, how we got the V100 buys, okay, you see that was exactly how we did it. Okay, using lower time frame and to enter the trade. Okay, so that's what we have been waiting for. Is about 2 days right now. We have not gotten to our POI level, so we are still waiting for it. So let's see how it will go once price tap in there. In our channel, we are still waiting for it also. If you want to join our channel for free analysis, the link is in our bio. You can see the chart analysis now. That is the link in our bio. You go there, and if you want to join our WhatsApp signal group, okay, it's not free. It costs $10 per 2 weeks. Okay, every 2 weeks, okay, you pay $10 and then you get signals. You can also see that from the analysis and the screenshots, even in the channel that we have been making, you see that we have been making more than the $10 that we paid for. Someone even sent me a screenshot of raising an account from $5 to 60, still from the analysis that we dropped and the signals that we also dropped. Okay, that was very impressive. Okay, so you can pay $10 now and join the WhatsApp signal group, and also enjoy the blues. Join the traders profits. Okay, that's the name, the traders profits. All right, guys, so once again, I go by the name Cyclone FXCT, so that we don't throw what we feel, we throw what we see you guys in the next videos to come. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. One love, y'all.